Oh my gosh, look at him. He thinks he's on stage. Uh-oh, here comes the audience. Oh no, and he's gone. I can't handle this.
Oh, Betty.
He's not supposed to touch that. Oh, here it goes. Yep, there it is. Oh, Riley's up. He's like, what was that? Look at him freeze. He knows he's busted. Big Brother's coming in for inspection and gone under the table. Oh my gosh, Riley doesn't even know what happened. Look at his face. That was the fastest getaway I've ever seen.
He's trying to figure that lid out. Oh, there it is. That little pop woke Big Brother right up. Stop. He's wearing it like a halo. You're not an angel, buddy. Well, maybe you are. That proud little face. I'm done. Perfect.
Oh, that's loud. He's gonna wake him. Look at him holding it like a microphone. Little diva. Yip, yip. Uh-oh, big guy's up. And he's out of here!